I'm gonna turn these carrots into hot dogs, and I don't think you're ready for this.
Oh, I'm so ready. I got tagged in this video a lot, so we're gonna give it a go. So I got my carrots. Here's a big boy. Okay, so I'll cut it into hot dog size. That looks good. Peel them. Instead of marinating it, I think it's a much better idea to put my marinade in the water and boil it so it really like gets into the carrot. Okay, so we're going in with some soy sauce, apple cider vinegar, maple syrup, garlic powder, smoked paprika, and liquid smoke. Everyone always complains that I never follow the recipe because I don't use liquid smoke, but I got it to make everyone happy. But now the possibilities are endless. I'm just gonna go vegan after this. No. Right here it says, indoor easy, outdoor delicious. What kind of tagline is that? What about this? You like the smell of vegan hot dogs? Vegan hot dogs? No, that's a no. She doesn't like it. Go, carrot, go! All right, it's doing its little thing in there. We're gonna boil it until it's tender. My little dude is fork tender. Oh. So we will put this, oh my God, it looks like a hot dog. We're gonna go ahead and put it in the pan and grill it up. So we'll get our hot dog bun. I gotta give it to you. It does look like a hot dog. Of course, we need some yellow mustard. Oh yeah. And some ketchup. Oh my, seriously? Where did that even come from? All right, well that's as good as it's gonna get. And let's give it a try. Yeah. It's just not satisfying. It tastes like a seasoned carrot that's been like chilling close to a campfire and then smashed in between a piece of bread.